is Russell here, and today we're going to film my dirt bike. Here it is. It says "Ride it like it's own." Honda, some racing equipment, Russell and stuff. XR Honda ADCC, and we got new tires. Well, they're a little bit dirty because I only rode them once. You can see how they're new. The muffler and what such, and the engine. So everybody knows that the engine is inside the gas tank. Everything, and what such. See my sister, and well, right now we're gonna start it. Okay, see if we can start one kick. The reason I'm riding it is because the chain is bent, and that's pretty much why. Hey, this is a 1997 Honda review. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, and tell me if I want me to make new videos. Okay, thank you. Bye.